What's that scale model I'm going to build for a special client? Stay tuned, I'm going to show you. Welcome back to FrankNCarrie's Adventures. We're going to be building a model for a special client. This is the first time I've built one, and it's very hard to find. What I'm going to be building is a funeral hearse. And if you go on the internet and you look up funeral hearse, and all you're going to find is die-cast models. So I was looking for a model kit of some kind to use. So I done some calling around, looking around, and I had a person at a place that I talked to, and they told me to use the Ghostbuster model, and you turn it into a hearse. Now this is the ECT 0-1, 1/25th scale model, and that's what I'm going to be using. So then I went, okay, I can do that. There is one problem that you have to do, and I'll show that in another video. I just want to show you what we're going to be using and kind of give you a layout of what all is going to take place. So okay, I figured that model will work. I got it here, looked at it, and I can make it work. So then I went online and I hunted for 1/25th scale caskets, things like that, and I came across a company. Got the paper here, and it is called 3 Inches Under is the company name. They have a website at 3inchesunder.com. I came across a casket. I think it's going to be a little bit bigger than what I was looking for, but I can make it look alright and work. Now they also have the window curtains that you use on this particular model. Turn it into a hearse, which I thought, all right, that's cool, that's cool. Then I come across another place, and it is called Harbor Models Incorporated, and it's harbormodels.com. I wanted to make this a special build, and I went looking for an American flag. Now I also went to the crafts department at a retailer, and I came up across these little flowers that they use on making hair barrettes. And I got 2 different types here. I'm not sure which one I'll use for the flowers on top of the casket. Also, you're going to need some Tamaya putty, and also some plain white polystyrene sheets, and that's like I said, later in the video I'll show you what that's going to be for. I still got a couple things I'm waiting on and to get this built, and I will be back with another video when I start to build it. I'm going to try to use a couple different camera views to also to help show you what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Now here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay?